What's the meaning of advisable? Advisable. 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 Advisable means that something is considered to be a good idea or recommended course of action. It implies that there are reasons to support the advice given and that following it will likely result in a positive outcome. For example, it might be advisable to wear a jacket when going outside on a cold day to avoid getting sick. Or, it might be advisable to save money for retirement rather than spending it all immediately. Overall, advisable suggests a wise and prudent choice based on sound reasoning and experience.